What's going on, everybody? This is market update from US30, Nasdaq, and also XAUUSD, which is good. As you can see my watch list here, we have, we have US30, we have Nasdaq, then we have gold. But first of all, this is the US30 chart, and I will start by breaking down the US30 chart, all right? What we should be expecting from the week, what we should be expecting from the week, and what price is currently doing on US30, Nasdaq, and gold, all right? So checking from the daily time frame, guys, from the last week analysis, I told you guys from the last week analysis, I said we will be expecting price to get to this key level, this daily support key level. Then we'll look for buying opportunity, very, very long buy, all the way from this key level to the upside here. All right. And as you guys can see right now, price is heading down to that level, but we don't know what price will be doing yet. All right. And as at the time of recording this video, today is Tuesday, and which is the presidential election in the United States. Yeah, so that is today's date as at the time of recording this video. So let's just start plotting our analysis. As you guys can see here, we have the daily support key level there. All right. So what's the next thing we'll be doing? The next thing is to look for the daily resistance key level, which is here. Daily resistance key level here. The KL there is key level. If you're just watching my video for the first time, I want you to like, I want you to comment. Then I also want you to share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right? Every week, I do drop market breakdown and my strategy on how to trade using my strategy, and also the market breakdown, all right? So let's just continue. This is the daily resistance key level, all right? As you guys can see there, that is the first thing I do on the daily time frame. This is not the only thing I do on the daily time frame. I also look for the directional bias of the market for the day, all right? And as you guys can see, we have US30 heading to the upside, giving us a series of higher highs, higher lows, a higher highs. Then price refused to give us another higher lows to continue heading to the upside. Instead, it came all the way down to this level, right? I am expecting price to get to this key level. Let me increase this. Yeah, so I'm expecting price to get to this key level of 41,549.6 here. Then we can look for very long buy on US30, either a swing trading, all right? So as you guys can see, we still have another key level here on the daily time frame, which will be taking me to my setting for identification. So this one will be the daily key level there. We still have other key levels here on the daily time frame. Yes, we still have key level here. As you guys can see, this is another key level. All right, we have a support here, and right now this is where the market is right now. And yeah, as we can see here, I guess we still have another key level. Then I'm going to have to clone this one just like this. All right. Exactly. So right now, when we're talking about the key levels and what price will be doing with the key level, we are expecting price to get to this key level, this daily support of 41,549.6. Then I can look for a long buy, just like this. Do you understand? A break and a retest, a break and a retest. You all know I trade a break and retest if you've been following me for a while now. But what if price refuses to respect this key level and break it below, push back? Then I will be looking for a selling opportunity. Simple. As a trader, you should be thinking probability. Let's just go to the smaller time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, to see what price is doing. All right, let's just mark up more key levels if we have one. So as you guys can see here, we still have another key level here. All right, we still have another key level. It was a resistance extended to this level, turned into a support, and also a support right now, as you guys can see, which is very, very clean there. So let's just go to the setting right now and H4 key level, identify 8 there. All right, so what else are we seeing here? What else are we seeing here? Let me see if we have more key levels here. As you guys can see, we still have another key level just like this. All right, that is a resistance. That's the 4-hour resistance also. I will just have to click on the settings and come to H4 key level still, just like that. So if I should be looking at the market from this 4-hour time frame now, what would I be doing? All right, I will either expect price to drop from this key level of 41,764.1 here. Then I will expect a break, push back, retest. I'll sell all the way from this level, then come all the way to this level and buy just like this. All right, I'm going to have to put buy zone here on that daily support key level. Okay, so that will be daily support key level buy zone. And I just told you guys now, if price refuse to respect that key level, then cool, we will be expecting another, then we'll be expecting a selling opportunity. But what if price should break this key level of 41,000, this key level here of 41,942 pushback? I'll look for a buying opportunity. Very, very simple, just like this. You understand? That is what I'll be expecting on US30. For now, we'll just have to drop this one just like this, and we'll look for a long buy from this level. It's going to be like swing trading from here to here. My stop loss is going to be below. my stop loss is going to have to be below. Then I'll expect a very long buy all the way from that level. That should be 1 to 13 risk reward. And when price comes to that level, you should also know that when you go to the smaller time frame, you will have more or less stop loss. All right. So let's just go to the 1 hour time frame, which is our POI time frame, where we always wait for price to get to. Then we can look for then we can go to the smaller time frame to look for our entry candlestick. All right. So as you guys can see here, we still have another resistance on the 1 hour time frame. We have a resistance all the way to this level. Let me go to settings, guys, and H1 key level there. All we have to do with this strategy is to mark up our key levels. Do you understand? Which is a very simple thing to do. Yeah, it's a very simple thing to do if you're price action trader. So right now, what would I be expecting, guys? I would expect price to move all the way from this key level, break this key level below, pulls back, then I'll look for a buying opportunity all the way to the upside. I will only be looking for a buying opportunity, right? But what if price should drop all the way to this key level? I'll wait for that retest, then I look for selling opportunity all the way to this key level. Then you can see this is the buying opportunity. Very, very simple and easy to understand as a price action trader. All right, you all know as a price action trader, we trade with the trend. Do you understand? Trend is our friend, just like the police is our friend. Do you understand? So that's how it works. If you see right now, we have another key level here, we have a support here, then turn into resistance here. I'll go to setting just like this and H1 key level. Very, very simple. H1 key level. Just like this. So this is what I am expecting on US30. So let's just jump to Nasdaq, wrap it up real quick. As you guys can see right now, this is Nasdaq, all right? So let's just go to the daily time frame to see. Okay, so from the daily time frame right now, it's as if Nasdaq is consolidating through here. Just from what we are seeing right now, Nasdaq is moving sideways. No clear move, no clear opportunity. And if there is no opportunity, we won't be looking for any trade. And if we see our setup and we don't have a confirmation, then there won't be an entry, all right? So as you guys can see, this is a daily resistance here. Daily resistance here. Daily resistance key level, just like this. All right. And yes, we have a daily support around this level. I'm going to have to put this one here. This is a body. Then you can see resistance turn into a support, just like this. What do we do? Daily key level. Okay, daily support key level. Then daily support key level. All right. So do we have more key levels here? If you observe, you see that we have a resistance and also a resistance, and price is still respecting that level. So daily key level. We don't have to leave it as daily key level. Do we have what other key level here, guys? If you can see, yes, we have a key level here. You understand? We have a resistance, broke down into a support, and right now, as you can see, let's say it was a resistance here, price broke that resistance and turned it into a support, went all the way to the upside, pushed back again, turned it into a support, gave us a resistance, and price took it out again, turned that support into a resistance, boom. And this is a clear selling opportunity all the way to this key level. We may have price breaks, it pulls back, and just like this, we'll be looking for selling opportunity. From what I'm seeing from Nasdaq right now, we should be looking for a selling opportunity. Do you understand? So let's just go to the 4-hour time frame to see if we have more key levels here on the 4-hour time frame. Guys, I just want you guys to know that it is not all support that are support, and it is not all resistance that are resistance. Some of them are not valid. Do you understand? Not all the support and resistance key levels are valid, all right? So as you guys can see here, we have a support here. We have a support here that was broken, turned into a resistance, extended all the way to this level, and now it's a support here. It's a clean support here, all right? So it's a clean support here. So H4 key level, just like this, H4 key level. Okay, so we have the H4 support key level here, just like this. Then what should we be expecting from the H4? Either price take out this key level, push back, retest, just like this. This key level of 20,162 here, push back, I'll be looking for a buying opportunity. Do you understand? Well, if at all price should drop all the way to this key level, break like this, push back to this key level, break this key level of 19,910.4, I will be looking for the retest, and I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. Let's just go down to the 1-hour time frame again to see what we are looking for in full. All right. So as you can see from this 1-hour time frame right now, price is trying to consolidate. This is not this is a no trade zone here. This key level for now is a no trade zone. But if at all price should break it, push back, retest zone, I will be looking for buying opportunity. And if price should break below, push back just like this, I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. This is what I'll be expecting on NAS. All right. Just like this. We have another key level here, support here. That if price should break this key level and start heading there, that is in next key level, price may be respecting. So what do? We hit one key level there. All right. So when we have a retest, guys, we can only go down to a smaller time frame to take our trade. We don't take trade on a daily, on a 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame. We are day traders. Do you understand? We don't take trade just like that. We go to a smaller time frame and take our trade. So right now on this middle here, this is a no trade zone. You understand? I can even write it there, no trade zone. So guys, as we continue to, as I'm teaching you guys right now, I also want you guys to subscribe to this YouTube channel, no trade zone, just like this. Then I'll change the color so that we can see it very well, no trade zone. You understand? Just like this. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's just go to gold real quick and see. So let's go to the daily time frame to see what gold will be doing right now. All right. So checking from the daily time frame, gold is heading to the upside, giving us a series of what? A higher highs and a higher lows. As a trader, you should know how to read the market structure. Do you understand? You should know how to read the market structure. We have a higher highs, a higher lows, higher highs, a higher lows, higher highs, a higher lows. Then we have a higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Then what should we expect? Another higher low just like this one. Then price will start heading to the upside. But due to what we are seeing right now, it's as if gold will be dropping all the way to this key level. We don't know. Do you understand? That is why we have to do our top-down analysis. So if you notice right now, this is a daily key level, and that key level is a daily resistance. That is a daily resistance key level, just like this. All right, and here's our daily support exactly here. This is our daily support. Daily support key level, just like this. All right. Then as you can see here, we still have another key level here. This is another support key level. Go to setting, then identify daily daily key level. Clean. From here, daily key level. Then do we have another key level here, guys? Very, very clean. We should have a clean key level there. That is a daily key level still. All right. Okay, just like this. So, guys, if we want to look at the market from the daily time frame perspective, then what do? We wait for price to push back to this key level, breaks just like this, then we look for a selling opportunity all the way from this key level, then we look for buying opportunity. All right, that is what I'm expecting from gold. Let me put this one as a buy zone. This is a buy zone. All right, that is what I'll be expecting from the daily time frame. But if at all price you check out this key level pushback retest, this key level of 2748.359, this key level here, then if price breaks it, push back to retest, I'll look for a buying opportunity. But we don't just trade on the daily time frame. That is why we need to go down to the smaller time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame, to mark up more key levels. All right. So as you guys can see, we still have another clean key level here. You understand? We have another clean key level here, just like this. So as you guys can see, it was a resistance, and now it is still a resistance. So you just have to go to setting H4 key level, just like that. So do we have other key levels here? Let me clone this key level. Let me clone this one right now. We still have a daily key level here. As you guys can see, we have a support here. But this candle we are having here now, this candlestick that is showing right now, is a daily. This is a bullish engulfing. Do you understand? Then this next candle that opens should spike all the way to the upside. But right now, what we are seeing, price is not going there right now. Do you understand? So we don't know what the market will be doing unless we analyze and see what price will be doing. All right. So do we have a key level here still? This is another key level from the 4-hour time frame. Do you understand? This is a key level. We have a resistance was broken, turned into a support, and right now into a resistance again. It's support here, and right now price is currently at that key level. So as you guys can see, this is what we are having on the 1-hour time, on the 4-hour time frame. Let's just go down to the 1-hour time frame to see what price will be doing. And if we have more key levels, then we'll be marking them out. All right. So I guess we have a key level here. Okay. Okay, so this is the current key level we are having. As you guys can see, this is also a key level. Do you understand? That is a key level. That should be a break of low, which is BO. That should be a break of low, which is BOL, a break of low. But I'm going to have to do that on a 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? I'm going to have to do that on a 15 minutes time frame. The break of low is going to be on the 15-minute time frame. So go to setting, BOL, break of low. So yeah, BOL, break of low. So okay, so guys, checking from the 30-minute time frame or from the 1 hour time frame, guys, what are you expecting? I am still expecting gold price to move to the upside, break this key level, push back, retest bone. Then I'll be looking for a buying opportunity. I will buy from here, hop out here. Do you understand? Take profit here. Then if I have another break, retest, push back, I take another trade. Then I'll take profit above. Do you understand? I'll take profit above, maybe from this key level. It's going to be H1 key level, H1 key level, just like this. All right, H1 key level, just like that. Okay, yeah, so guys, this is what I'm expecting on gold. And if at all price should take out this 1 hour support, this 4 hour key level of 2731.410 here, then we look for a retest and sell all the way below. Do you understand? So that is what I will be expecting on gold for now. So guys, this is the analysis and this is the market update. This is the weekly update. This is what price is currently doing. All right, this is what price is currently doing. Today is the United States election. There won't be much opportunity as expected like that in the market. All right, so guys, this is all I have to show you guys. If you love this video, I want you to like, comment, and turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video, and also subscribe to our to this YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel. And if you want to join our mentorship program, then you click on the link in the description box to join our mentorship program. If you want to send me a direct message on Telegram, also you can also click in the link in the description box and send me a message. So other than that, guys, peace.